Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Tana aka the Black Tana, and in today's video is going to be a hot oil treatment, wash day, and retwist. So I hope you guys love this video, and if you do, make sure you like, comment, rate, and subscribe. So for the hot oil treatment, what I like to do is I boil some hot water and then I add sweet almond oil and grapeseed oil together, and I seal the bottle and place it in the hot water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time for the hot oil treatment, and what I'm going to do is I'm separating my hair into fours and I'm applying the oil section by section and really making sure that I'm saturating my hair and my roots, because you really want to get that oil all over and get it in there really good so that your hair feels super moisturized. Because I'm telling you, these hot oil treatments, at least for me, they really bring a lot of moisture back to my hair. Now this is my hair now that all the oil is in there. And it's feeling moisturized, it's feeling nice and juicy. Now I'm just putting the bag on my head because I'm gonna sit under the dryer for about 15 minutes. And yeah, it doesn't matter. Use a grocery bag, tie that around your head. And I use my dryer attachment, and yeah, then we sit and we get out and then we rinse out. So we're starting out with the OGX Coconut Miracle Oil Shampoo, and I love OGX personally for my locks, but this one right here, I don't know if it's everything together, but my hair felt so good. It felt soft after the shampoo, didn't feel stripped like it can be with some other shampoos. My hair felt just really nice and clean and still soft, and that's probably because of the hot oil treatment, but this is the Miracle Oil Shampoo. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. After that, I'm just rinsing it out. Then I'm going in with the OGX Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner, and I'm not using it a lot, as you can see. Just dragging a little bit through my hair, then I'm rinsing that out too. All right, so it's the next day. I actually ended up waiting because I was tired. I had other things to do, but I'm glad I did because my hair was dried. It was clean. It was easy. All I did was spray the roots and retwist in the length of my hair, of course, just for moisture. And that is it with all the clips in. And after, I sat under the dryer for 35 minutes to be exact. Then once I got out, this is what it was looking like. And yeah, okay, we got some length going. This is me trying to show y'all. Got some scalpiana going on. And after this, I ended up putting it in a flat twist style that came out super cute. All right, let's see the hair, guys. Let's take off the scarf. I've only had it for about 15 minutes. Boom. This is what I did with my hair. Isn't it cute? I retwisted and then I flat twisted the locks. I feel like it came out so good. Look at them up close. And y'all know I'm no hairstylist, so I'm super impressed with how this came out. And retwisting my hair also felt like it was very fast today, and I think it's because I did the wash part yesterday, and then when I got out the wash, all I did was spritz my hair down with this. But yes, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys loved this video, love this style, and I will catch you guys next time. Make sure you're liking and subscribing. Bye guys.